Okay, what brought me to PPC was that was before COVID, 2019. She was already facing a lot of huge challenges that I did not face in my life, and some of my close friends actually gave me the courage and nudged me to attend the PPC, and then that allowed me to face myself. So the processes was highly customized, and then it all cater to all of our needs because we have like around 11 of us, 11 participants. And then what I love about PPC was, and then that's where I can fully focus on myself. And to me, that's self-love. And then we are like away from work and away from people, noise, responsibilities. That's where I can fully work on myself. And then I could recall we have about close to about 17 or more highly customized processes. Can you imagine? Yeah, the amount of work and effort that has been put and thought through. And then all of us were like interviewed, and then to also understand what challenges we have in our life during that period of time, or over the years now. So despite having so many challenges I had in my life, I turned out to be doing pretty well before PPC. Because still occasionally hitting MDRT, once in a while. So considered not too bad to some people. So after PPC, my MDRT was consistent, very consistent, year after year, every year. Okay, and some years two and a half MDRT or 2 MDRTs at least. Then because after UT and PPC, I also had a big breakthrough. I became a leader, not just doing own sales, like in wealth planning. So my breakthroughs had kind of rewarded me now that in the past I could do less, achieve more. Now I can do less and achieve even more. I have more time. Somehow I felt that I have more time because I have more energy. Then apart from consistently doing MDRT, I can still take care of my team members. Okay, I can coach them. And then I even had time to go overseas. And during COVID year, that was in 2022, I had my biggest breakthrough in terms of sales. So before PPC, I was really doing not too bad. I could get like bronze awards in my company. And now after PPC, during COVID year, I could do gold awards. And that is like the record high in my agency. As more than 200% growth. Yes, so wow, it's amazing. One of the processes that I had the biggest breakthrough, and it is also the wound that affected me the most, was this trust in relationship, in terms of relationship with people, relationship with men, relationship with my other half, my partner. So it was a process that I could connect with my ancestor, and then and this ancestor, she had so much torture during her era that she put on a curse to the men in general. And that kind of indirectly passed on to my family. It could already affected previous generation, that I'm not sure. However, in my generation, rather in my family, the men in my family, all had like huge challenges in life in terms of health, physical health. Like my dad had got cancer at a very young age, and then passed on because of that. And my brother as well, since young already had like academic challenge, mental challenge, emotional challenge, and then even became very abusive to himself in his life. So and then his life was kind of destroyed in a way, because he couldn't really adapt and keep up to the world So it was a huge challenge to me to even have to take care of him. So after the process, I could really trust men, trust guy, had so much confidence in opposite sex and the relationship, the people who came into my life, whom I attracted, has got so much quality compared to before. Yeah. And with that heightened awareness, right, I was able to also identify higher quality men. And of course, myself being a high quality woman, right? Yes, then there's another process about money. Wow, it's a game that's so fun. I love it. So through the game, I became more aware of how competitive I was and how I love money, and how creative, I became very creative about business and how to negotiate, and then so abundant that I was able to also think of business plan that could make millions, and then millions of money, generating millions, multi-millions of revenue. And I was partnering the other leader in the group, so two of us actually turned around and made billions of money and dollars in that game. It's insane. So if it is possible in a game, I believe it is possible in real life too. Yeah. So that's why now, after PPC, I actually dare to explore so much more. Not just in Singapore, actually out of Singapore, going to China to build my network, to have so much high net worth friends, and then potential customers. And so the people that I meet, the cases that I have now that I'm working on, are mostly high net worth. And it's not just high net worth. The leads, the people, the cases just came to me. Like recently, there's this Universal Life case, coverage worth about $5 million, just dropped from the sky. Yeah, like this high net worth prospect client suddenly just came and tell me, hey, I'm working on this plan, maybe you can see how you can help. Just like that. So it's amazing how my life got transformed first round in UT, and then now second round and PPC, it has got a bigger turnaround. It's like I'm reborn and then reborn again. Second version, third version of me, Vivian Chen. So yes, and then alongside with Miranda's one-on-one coaching after PPC, with the UT Zoom sessions, it has become sustainable. Yeah, so going to the environment and working on myself during the Zoom session, I would say, wow, it has helped me a lot. Yeah, it's a must to me now. Yeah, because I cannot imagine myself without it. I really cannot imagine myself without the Zoom sessions. Yes, so without it, I probably would have gone back to what we call default mode. Yes, so with the Zoom session of UT coaching, Miranda's coaching, I would like to thank Miranda, still my goddess, and Miracle Life, Wan Yi, Alisa, who has put in so much effort, the heart to transform my life, so many rounds, and the monthly working on myself, the opportunity that I have to work on myself on a regular basis, at least once a month, is amazing. It's truly amazing. So with that, I could sustain and if I want to level myself up now to bigger cases, higher net worth, ultra high net worth customers, at least detoxing and clearing my fear. These are all the work that was well worth it. Yeah, it's all well worth it. Yeah. So if you are having huge challenges in your life, to you it may seem normal, like how it was to me in the past. Like all these challenges, like, hey, normal, I'm normal. I couldn't see it. These are my blind spots. Yeah. So then if someone point out to you, like, friends or trainers point out to you that, hey, maybe this is your blind spot, trust them. This could be your benefactors in your life who actually come and save you and help you. These are people who truly want to see that you have a better life. Not that your life is not good. Yeah, generally a better life, happier, prettier, younger. Okay, and then more energetic. Even my smile are a lot more genuine these days compared to like 10, 20 years ago. Okay, and then be able to attract higher quality people, richer people, who don't want, right? And with that, it will translate to me being more successful. Yeah, a lot of people enjoy my life. Now I can travel around the world half the time, and then my network is overseas. And now, of course, Singapore will always be there. It's my base. And yes, so if you want all of that, you want to have it all, this is the course to go. Again, the constant learning. Yes, so hope to see you there. Bye. I'm Vivian Chen. Thank you very much and see you there.